Hey guys, welcome back to Fit Active 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today we have 3 exercises, 3 sets per exercise, 30-second breaks. That's all there is to it. We might require a dumbbell, it might not. It's up to you if you want to reduce the amount of repetitions that you do. Guys, the core is a skeletal muscle just like any other muscle in our body. In order to get best results, we have to tire it out and overwork it and work it to failure with proper rest. So let's get this done and I'll see you guys in about 2 seconds. All right guys, welcome back. Let's get started. First exercise is a weighted sit-up. I got my dumbbell with me. I'm gonna put it over my head and do 3 sets on roughly 30-second breaks. Try to take these close to failure. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1. Keep it under control. Good for a couple more. I'm going to call it right there. We'll wait about 30 seconds and we'll move on to set number 2. So I'm trying to keep this dumbbell under control. If I swung it in front of me, momentum would take over a little bit and help me do a couple more repetitions. So this is called technical failure. It's basically failure before you start to break down. So that's kind of what we're aiming for today. So a few more seconds left, we'll get going for set number 2. If you guys want for reference, this is a 30-pound dumbbell that I'm using today. Like I said, I try to make this difficult and overload the core as much as I can. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Nice and slow. Keep the tension in the core. Notice I'm not counting the reps today, it doesn't matter. As long as you're pushing yourself. I got one more before my feet start coming off the ground. Let's do one more. Alright, put this down so it doesn't drop on my head. Let's take another 30 seconds. We'll get going for set number 3. Only 3 exercises, guys. This is very similar to, like I said, if you were doing a chest workout at the gym, you do 3 or 4, maybe 4 exercises, 3 to 5 sets per exercise. You wouldn't do much more than that. So as I have said, I love doing core exercises with hundreds of repetitions because I just enjoy working the core. They still work, but they're more of a cardio work. But if you actually generally want to build strength in your core, you have to provide a lot of resistance. Set number 3, ready? In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. I got one more. Alright, that's it. Whew. Alright, take a few minutes break. That'll be nice. Alright, take another 20 seconds. From here, we're going to reverse crunches. And then once we complete the crunch, we're going to thrust our legs towards the ceiling. We've done all these exercises before, but it's nice to go back to the basics every once in a while. All right, so support your lower back here, or you can leave your arms on the side, bring your legs up, and back down to the ground. That's the basic repetition. We're going for as many reps as we can per set. You guys ready? Got my microphone behind me. Hopefully it doesn't dig into my lower back or turn off. So we're gonna find out after the first set and when you get the too much for you. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Bring up and pick up and bring it back down. Ready? Keep the negative under control also. Very difficult for me to do on the negative. Okay, a couple more. One more. All right, 30 seconds or so. I'm just looking at the clock that's on the ground. Out of the view of the camera. All right, one set down. I'm breaking a pretty good sweat doing this. 2 sets to go in about 20 seconds. Same exercise, guys. Reverse crunch, legs up in the air. We got about 7 or 8 seconds left and we'll get going. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Legs up. On towards the ceiling. That kick towards the ceiling is getting more and more difficult. That's it. Like I said, technical failure for me today. All right, 30 seconds. I'm just gonna lay here and relax. Whew. Remember, working your core like I keep on repeating. Same as working any other muscle in your body. You gotta overload it. You gotta progressively overload it if you wanna see results. Build strength. Maybe next core workout we'll do the opposite. We'll just do like a 3,000 rep workout. All right, we're going in a couple seconds. You guys ready? In 3, 2, this is set number 3, 1, and go. One more. All right, so that was exercise number 2. For the third exercise, obviously staying down on the floor, we're going to do a plank. So we did upper body, lower body. Let's do a little bit of an isometric. So to make the plank more difficult, you're gonna move out your elbows kind of as far in front of you as you can. The farther you move your elbows out, the more difficult it'll be to stabilize and hold the plank. So do whatever you're comfortable with. I'm gonna go for a position that will let me allow to hold the plank for about 30 seconds or so. So let's get going in a couple seconds. 3, 2, 1, get into your planks. So you can start right here and then walk it out. And I'm gonna stay probably right around here. And just plank with me. Tighten up that core and just hold it. Stay right here. Give it a little bit of a shake. That's okay. Just slide those elbows out and just hold it. Okay, that's all I got. 30 seconds off, and then as much as we can on. Just 2 more repetitions left, guys. Look at the bright side. And then we are done. Yep, definitely gonna feel this one. Feels good. Feels good to work the core with some heavy movements once in a while, doesn't it? exact opposite what mostly everybody else does, and mostly what I do on this channel too, because like I said, I like doing high repetition core workouts. This is a strength core workout. You guys ready to go? In 3, 2, 1, get into your planks. Walk your feet back, or walk your elbows out as far as you can, and hold it. There we go. Don't arch your back, don't do this. Get in a hollow body position. Hold it. Tense everything up. Squeeze this core. Stay right here. Couple more seconds. That's all right. Alright. Take another 30-second break. And this is the last set, guys. That's going to be it for our workout. This is a great, like I said, great core workout to build strength. And that's what we should be focusing on. If you want it to be pretty, that's a different video on the diet. So I'm not a dietitian, so you guys might want to look somewhere else. But for strength, this is kind of what's all you need to do. We did the upper and the lower, and then isometric to tie everything together nicely today. All right, so let's do this one last set. You guys ready? In 3, 2, 1. Plank comfortably. Walk the feet back until you're not so comfortable, and then hold it. Right here. This is the last set. We're gonna hold it until our knees drop down to the ground when we don't need to be done. Stay right here. Feet and my elbows are sliding away. It makes it more difficult. There we go. Alright, that was it for me, guys. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. I'm going to stay right down here so I stay in the camera view. Once again, thanks for joining me today at Fit After 50. If you guys enjoyed this workout, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, give me a big old thumbs up, leave a like, and I'll see you guys during your next workout.